Two strange stone heads, buried for centuries, unearthed in a quiet UK garden. And then a wave of paranormal terror, werewolves, poltergeists, and a chilling curse. Were the Hexham Heads something ancient and evil, or just an eerie coincidence? In 1971, two young boys, Colin and Leslie Robson, were playing in their backyard in Hexham, Northumberland, when they found two small carved stone heads. They were about the size of fists. The boys took them in the house, and not long after, strange things started happening. Objects moved on their own. Doors opened and closed, and the family reported an eerie presence in the house. The neighbor even claimed to have seen a half-man, half-wolf creature in their house. The entity reportedly walked on two legs before vanishing in the dark. The Hexham Heads caught attention of paranormal investigators. One was Dr. Ann Ross, and she took them home to study them. She also claimed to see the wolf figure. Some believe the heads were cursed, and others say it was a hoax. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Freaky Friday, where we're going to learn about the Hexham Heads, and we're going to ask, is this a true paranormal experience, or is it just a hoax? So let's get on with this. This is a creepy story. Two boys were playing in their yard, and they found two stone heads, and then when they brought them in, as I just told you, they experienced, even the neighbor started experiencing weird stuff happening in the house. So we're going to ask if this is for real, or is it a hoax or whatever. So I'm going to use my Starman Tarot again, because they're kind of creepy and they do well on this channel. So we're asking about the Hexham Heads. Is the story a hoax, or is it real? Oh, I guess I need to put both of these together. So, is this story real, or is it just a hoax, please? What gets me is how many people were involved. So it was even the neighbor, it was some paranormal investigators and all that. So let's see. Okay, put them over there. What is the true origin of the Hexham Heads, please? What is the true origin of the Hexham Heads? That's judgment in reverse. And usually that means no second chances, but to me, look at that, guys. It looks like somebody doing a spell or something, doesn't it? And in reverse, to me, that because judgment in reverse, it usually means no second chance, but that would be more evil to me anyway. It's like an evil, that would be like a curse to me. So we'll just keep asking here. So were those Hexham Heads created for a specific purpose? Were they the Seven of Pentacles? You know what? Seven of Pentacles in reverse, and this is usually it's planting and waiting for your crop to come in or crop to grow. This is wilting on the vine. That's kind of creepy, because so we have a curse here and waiting for somebody to wilt away or something. That's the, I mean, that would be dying on the vine, right? Woo, okay. So yeah, my next question is, do they hold any supernatural power or energy? Do they hold any supernatural? My goodness, look at that. Death in reverse. And that would be, oh my goodness. All of these are in reverse. The Judgment, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, and Death in reverse. And this is like a physical death. To me, that looks like somebody cursed them to, and they were buried in that yard. Whoa, whoever lived there before, maybe they should look at whoever lived there before. Did they die in the house or what? I mean, I'm just asking. I don't know. Did the paranormal events happen because of the heads? Whoa, Four of Pentacles. I would say so. And look at that, guys. It looks like just heads. I mean, there are heads. There are two heads right there. There's one right there. I mean, that is one head, but it looks like two. Can you see that? It's clever how they did the art there. Oh my goodness. And the Four of Pentacles, that is like holding on to your, well, usually it's somebody holding on to their, like, money, kind of like being, what they call, well, like being stingy or a miser or whatever, but that is like in control. And that would be this person, whoever did that, wanted control over whoever they were doing that. Oh my goodness. Did the paranormal events happen because of the heads? I would say yes. There are some heads in that. Wow. Okay. So, are the Hexham Heads linked to an ancient curse or ritual? Well, we kind of found that out already. Are they linked to an ancient curse or ritual? The Three of Wands. That is waiting for your ship to come in, and it's just waiting for the curse to come to fruition, oh my goodness. So is there more to this story that hasn't been revealed? Is there more to the story that hasn't been revealed? The Two of Cups. That is somebody, that's a contract. That is a contract with somebody. You see that? And so to me, a contract would be, I mean, this is just my opinion, and whoever, it's the contract between that person and the person that they were doing a curse on. Oh my goodness, that is, I don't even know what's happened to those heads either. I don't know if, I didn't read into the story, but it's a spooky story, isn't it? And even when the neighbor said that they saw like a werewolf or something, is that true? Did the neighbor actually see that? The Three of Swords in reverse. That could be a lie, but that is like betrayal. backstabbing or stabbing you in the heart, you know, really, really hurtful. But in reverse as well, this could be just a story that person made up, probably because of wanting some attention as well. That's just my opinion. What do you guys think? So what are your thoughts on this? Can you leave your thoughts in the comments? And don't forget to click that like button. And that's all I have for you tonight, guys. Thank you so much for being with me on Freaky Friday. And stay curious, stay strange, my friends. And I will see you on the next one.